Hello and welcome to Fahrenheit 451, Lesson 40, Revising and Editing the Research Essay. We've been organizing our research notes in order to develop an outline for the research essay that includes a claim, reasons, counterclaim, evidence, and reasoning. Today you will revise the research essay draft and engage in a peer conference to edit the research essay draft. For this lesson, you will need your research essay organizer, your extension task handout, your extension task rubric, and your draft essay. You are going to review the prompt and rubric in preparation for revising and editing your essay. I'm going to give you about 2 minutes to do so independently. Now, you are going to annotate your essay draft by highlighting using the color coding on the slide. Revising is a chance to make big changes, and it takes more time than editing or making small grammatical and spelling changes. On your Google Doc, you're going to highlight pink anytime you reference a claim, yellow for your supporting reasons, green for the text evidence that supports your claim or reasons, blue for your reasoning, and orange for your counterclaim. Then I want you to consider the 3 questions on the slide and revise your essay based on those. Does your body paragraph have a claim and counterclaim, a reason and evidence, and reasoning? If not, what is missing? Remember, you only need 1 counterclaim in all of your body paragraphs. How could you add something to the paragraph to include that element? You will have 15 minutes to complete this activity. Remember that the purpose of a counterclaim and a rebuttal is to acknowledge the other side of the argument and to then explain why your claim is stronger. I want you to locate your orange highlighted counterclaim in your essay, and I want you to underline the transition words you used to indicate the counterclaim and the rebuttal. Let's look at some other options for transitions. For counterclaims, those would include, on the other hand, critics argue that, or a common argument against this position is. For your rebuttals, you might want to consider, while this may be true, my claim is still valid because, or however, that point is not valid because, or a simple nevertheless. I want you to revise your counterclaim and rebuttal to include strong transition words. I'm going to give you about 5 minutes to complete this activity. You are going to work with a partner and use the checklist to engage in a peer editing conference. I'm going to leave this checklist on the screen. You should work quietly with your partner to make edits to each other's essays. You should annotate the changes on the peer's draft. You will have about 8 minutes to complete this activity. Now you are going to make changes to your essay based on the peer feedback you received. You will work silently and independently to make the changes based on the feedback you received. You will have 10 minutes to complete this activity. For homework, you are going to publish your research essay in a Google Doc. You will need your draft research essay. Congratulations! You have completed Lesson 40 of the Fahrenheit 451 unit. In this lesson, you revised your writing to ensure you have a claim, reasons, counterclaim, evidence, and reasoning, and you assessed a peer's writing using an editing checklist.